guys, so today I'm gonna be making a DIY hand sanitizer. First, you need a mixing bowl and you need alcohol and aloe vera. So I already prepared them here. So you need 1/8 cup of aloe vera and 1/4 cup of alcohol. So you could put it in a small bottle. So I'm gonna be adding the alcohol and then the aloe vera. So you mix it properly. After mixing your aloe vera and alcohol thoroughly, you can add essential oil for scent. So the essential oil that I'm gonna be using is lavender. So I'm gonna put 3 drops because the scent of aloe vera is really strong. After mixing everything, you need to put it in a clean container, and before using the bowls that you use and the utensil that you use to make this DIY hand sanitizer, it has to be clean and sanitized because we are going to use this for our hands. So this is the product that I made for the DIY hand sanitizer. Bye!